Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great and everybody is staying healthy, making sure that they are taking care of themselves plus their near and dear ones. Alright guys, so before I get going on the topic which is today, I'm gonna come back to that. If you're looking for fun, engaging and interactive activities to do with your kids in less time and with the resources that are available at home, you have to make sure that you subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit that bell icon. Alright guys, so now if you have already subscribed, without further delay, let me share with you what I'm going to be doing today. So I am sure the virtual learning, home learning, any kind of schooling or any kind of learning that the kids are doing right now, the evenings are looking very exhaustive. Like after the school hours of doing so much of virtual learning, the kids are extremely tired and they're not responding in just the right way for finishing homework or doing more stuff. So what are the things that can be done with them so that they can bounce back, but at the same time we are not pushing them so much, we're not breaking them, and we are making sure that they are doing a proper revision as well. So today, without any further delay, I'm going to share with you a book that I generally create for Vivan, and it's called a comprehensive book wherein I pick up the topics that he's doing in a week and I try and combine all of them. And when I say combine, as in I'm talking about different subjects. So it's like math, social studies, science, English, if anything extra that we are doing, I try and make sure that I use a book which is like a weekly book, and I present that book to him, and by end of the week we try and finish that. However, I got this opportunity to make sets of books for younger kids, so the age group 4 to 6, that's what I'm going to be showing today. I have created a similar book for them, and somebody just asked me when they saw my book for Vivan, they said if I can create for the kids for that particular age group, and I was super happy, and I definitely connect to that age because I think that's like a beautiful age where you don't want them to sit for many hours, you don't want the education to look very, very boring. So definitely my books comes in very, very handy. It's like extremely attractive, extremely easy to do. There are not 100 activities that you have to finish in a day, and I'm super excited to show that to you guys. So all you can do is it's a definitely DIY. You can create it at home with the different pages, whatever you have, and it can be adapted to different age groups. And when I'm saying age groups, I'm looking at the younger age group today, and that's what you can do. And it could be one core theme of the book, and the core theme can be adapted to different topics. So like just if the core theme is animals, if the kids, this is something that you've introduced today, then all the activities can revolve around animals. All right, so like when they're doing alphabet, it's going to be H for horse, okay, and A for ant. If they're doing numbers, you can show different pictures of the animals, and then they can figure it out how many number of animals are there that they can match. So this is the theme that I'm talking about, and without further delay, before I give up everything, let me show it to you guys. So let's get going. So let me quickly show it to you. I think one thing I didn't mention before was there are 15 activities and variations of all 15 topics that I'm focusing on this book. So let's get going. So I wanted to start from the beginning, but however, let me show it to you from wherever it is open. So connect the dots to make a square. So I have used these colorful dots right here. And there is a reason that I've used the dots, because this book is the color theme. And at the same time, the kid was introduced to shapes. And that's why I have taken this, and I have already made an example, which is like connecting and making a square. So not only this is going to work for pre-writing, but also for identification or making of new shapes. So the same thing can be done for triangle, for rectangle, for oval. Definitely you have to just tell the kid to make what you want and what you want to learn. So this is my activity number 1. Activity number 2 is I've made this circle, and the child has to trace it with a different color. They can use a highlighter, they can use a pen, pencil, whatever they feel like, and that's what exactly they have to do. Let me go through another one, and okay, copy the colors of the bot following the example. All right, so I have already created the bot right here, and there's another one right here for the kid to follow and to color it exactly the same way. So because this is a color theme book, so we are trying to do different shapes and different things in the same pattern. So if this is red, okay, that's a rectangle, and this rectangle needs to be red. So all these rectangles are purple, they are going to be purple here, orange. So this is how the child is going to make sure that he or she is focusing on the color and then doing the same thing here. Along with that, here you have color the stickers. So I had cut out these 3 pieces from a sticker paper, and then I made sure that I stick them here. Along with that, I thought it'll be pretty cute if the kids can color them. Okay, so it's gonna turn out into a very cute face, like blue, red, and green, and then it could be like a very weird face, but it also opened up the imagination of thinking that the eyes could, one eye could be star, one eye could be square, and the nose or the mouth could be oval, and at the same time they are revising all the shapes. Okay, so moving forward, so this was the first activity, which is let's learn colors, and you have to just circle the red pictures and the yellow pictures because we're talking about colors. So that's the primary activity first, and then you have matched the colors to the apron. Okay, so there are combination of colors here. There are 2 colors. This is yellow and blue, and it's right here. So there's an element of brain teaser. That's what exactly she wanted me to do. So you have to connect this one to here and the respective ones. Then you have 3 color combinations here: blue, green, and orange. Then you have color matching again here with all the stickers. Guys, you can if you don't have the stickers, I've always said that you guys can use markers, you can use sketch pens, you can make sure that you just use what do you call, a Q-tip or a cotton bud, and use paints, and you can just create them or just create dots, and I think it'll be pretty cool to do that. Or you could use your thumbprint to create different activities by using thumb pad, which is easily available. Okay, so we have another pre-writing activity, which is, because this is 4 to 6 years old, they are still working and learning how to trace lines, how to do pre-writing. So this is how exactly they're going to do. They have these 3 shapes and they have to trace them. Okay, you've already seen this activity. Now, because this is the age where they're learning connection, but if you'll see, they have an element of colors in every activity. You have orange and pink, very bright letters here, and you have to connect them. Okay, now this is maths plus colors. So this is connect the picture that have the same number of things in them. So if this is 2, you have to find things which are 2 here, and then you need to connect. So you have green and blue heart, okay, and then you have purple and orange heart right here, and that's how you can drive the whole learning thing into colors, but at the same time you are just focusing on all the different aspects here. Okay, then you have connect each picture to the right, each number to the right picture. So you have 4, you have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to connect it right here. Then I have a coding element because she wanted me to like do a little brain teaser, and I did that with the colors, and this is what exactly I wanted. So all these different pictures, I have put 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and what you can do is you can use different colors, and then you can make different color blobs right here. And you can see we are revising so many things that the kid in like 2 or 3 days will be able to do these activities, and they'll be more than happy in revising colors in so many different ways. So not only you were just picking up the topic colors, you're already focusing on numbers, alphabets, logical reasoning, and spatial intelligence, visual discrimination totally, and yeah, so like everything in one book for kids as in for revision. Then you have simple activity, which is count and write. And then you have circle the alphabets that come in your name, write your name right here. So the kid has to write their name, and then they have to circle out the alphabets that are that come in their name. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and you leave a comment if you want to see something particular for your kids, or if you're looking for some particular activities, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share with you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.